Lubbock Cooper ISD Reading Grade 6, Unit 1, Exploring Literary Nonfiction and Poetry. Number 1. When the author's mother saw the family of monkeys in her dining room, she most likely felt A. Amused, B. Cheated, C. Surprised, D. Sympathetic. Number 2. Read this sentence from paragraph 6. In fact, we fairly fell off the wall trying to get back to the old tree we had used to climb up. The author uses this sentence to show F. that the children were not skilled at walking on the wall, G. how the children's actions resembled those of the monkeys, H. that the climbing skills of the monkeys were better than those of the children, J. how afraid the children were of the grandpa monkey. Number 3. The author includes paragraph 2 most likely to show A. why his mother decided to fill a bowl with fruits that monkeys like, B. why he often encountered monkeys when living in India, C. what similarities his family had with the family of monkeys, D. what tempted the monkeys to come into his family's house. Number 4. From the information provided in the selection, the reader can tell that monkeys typically F. travel great distances, G. depend on people for food, H. live in large family groups, J. live high in the treetops. Number 5. Read this dictionary entry. Compound. 1. A word formed by joining other words. 2. A grouping of buildings contained inside a bordering structure. 3. An object created by combining parts. 4. A substance formed by mixing different chemicals. Which definition of the word compound is used in paragraph 6? A. Definition 1, B. Definition 2, C. Definition 3, D. Definition 4. Number 6. The description of the mother monkey and the young monkeys in the dining room helps the reader F. see why monkeys are common in some areas of India, G. recognize the similarities between adult monkeys and young monkeys, H. realize how unusual the monkey's behavior was, J. understand why monkeys like to eat fruit. Number 7. Judy's encounter with the grandpa monkey suggests that she was A. hoping to get a close look at the monkeys, B. aware that the monkeys could have been dangerous, C. concerned about the grandpa monkey's children, D. entertained by the grandpa monkey's actions. Number 8. What lesson did the author learn while living in India? F. Monkeys can cause problems that require creative solutions. G. Food can be used to help calm aggressive monkeys. H. It is wise to leave monkeys alone while they are eating. J. It helps to befriend people who are familiar with the behavior of monkeys. Number 9. The poet begins the last 3 stanzas with the word I in order to A. suggest that the speaker does not like people coming into his room, B. develop the idea that the speaker's desk has a special purpose, C. emphasize how the speaker connects with the desk, D. show that the speaker spends most of his free time in his room. Number 10. From the speaker's experience, the reader can learn that F. people with their own room feel more independent, G. something that doesn't seem promising can turn out to be a welcome surprise, H. collecting stamps can help people acquire more knowledge about the world, J. mothers always know what is best for their children. 11. The poet's use of sensory language in line 27 is intended to help the reader A. realize that the speaker did not expect the drawer to make a sound, B. understand why the speaker puts drawing supplies in the drawer, C. Imagine the sound made by the shutting of the desk drawer. D. Know that the desk drawer now has something in it. 12. Which line from the poem best suggests that the speaker feels a sense of happiness about having the desk? F. Painted bright orange. G. Rub my hands over the surface. H. Bigger and deeper. J. And a few pencils inside. 13. The poet uses the last line of the poem to A. Suggest that the only place a speaker would like to be is in his room. B. Explain that the speaker likes to collect maps and stamps. C. Emphasize that the speaker thinks that the desk has dramatically changed his room. D. Show that the desk drawer is large enough to hold the speaker's maps and stamps.